For the life of your home, a phrase used to describe something that you can count on, a guarantee that implies a set and forget security that you'll appreciate permanently. Needless to say, a promise such as this is rare. PowerJack can easily make this promise because their tools, talent, and experience set high standards. For example, in the planning stage, your yard's features are carefully considered so that after installation your yard is left as it was found. Your house goes far beyond being just an important resource. It is your home. PowerJack approaches everything they do with this in mind. When do you need PowerJack? PowerJack benefits new construction by being the foundation under the foundation that creates important, cost-effective support to prevent future damage caused by your home settling. Piers sunk deep into the earth provide the security you seek. Cracks like these are prevented. Or you can call PowerJack to arrange custom permanent support for your home anytime after construction. Here are the results of some of those repairs. All homes settle due to changing soil conditions. The stress of certain architectural features, weather conditions, and more over long periods create cracks both small and large in your home. Other signs of foundation failure are windows and doors sticking, hard to open. Large gaps in window and door frames. Multiple nail pops appearing in ceilings and walls. Walls beginning to lean noticeably. Floors starting to settle and becoming uneven. Chimneys tilting or leaning. Foundations sinking. Cracks can be seen in foundations or basement walls. This short video will illustrate just how PowerJack's proven methods will prevent or repair even the most severe damage. Let's consider this large, beautiful home. Damage is just beginning to show, but will grow increasingly worse. The house has 3 chimneys, one in the front that's stable enough at this point. One very heavy chimney on the side of the house that has settled deeper than the rest of the building, creating these stress cracks. There's no reason to believe the foundation as is will prevent further damage. And the other chimney, located in the center back of the house, though not quite as massive, is also causing stress to the house that will take the form of cracks both inside and outside. These 2 vital stretches will need further support. After considering our landscape challenges, the job is estimated at 2 days, and a staging area is set up near the house. Equipment and materials are accounted for, and the job is begun. First, we find we need to remove some shrubbery to make way for our pier canal digs. Plants are carefully removed so that they can be replanted later. Our top holes are hand dug to an estimated 3 feet. They act as pilot holes for our helical piers and must be wide enough to accommodate pier platforms that will be fitted on top. The holes must be dug as close to the house as possible to facilitate the pier's vertical stability. At this point, experience is important. Care must be taken to avoid damaging the house and its foundation. And the piers must be spaced out properly to support the weight loads specific to the structure. Next, the fence leading to the backyard is partially disassembled to make room for our small tractor. Maneuvering up close to the house carefully, piers are sunk in turn. Our pressure gauge signals us that the pier has been sunk into stable subsoil deep enough to satisfy more than our load-bearing requirements. At PowerJack, we believe in taking a little extra trouble to make sure we have more than adequate weight-bearing capacity on all of our piers. Since the 3rd chimney wall needs to be supported, piers must be sunk where the decking meets the house, so sections of the deck must be taken up at the proper intervals. The piers are sunk using extensions for extra depth. and the top plates are fitted. Jacks are placed on the pier platforms, and then the house is raised to accommodate Scotch legs, cut to lengths, adjusted to level the structure. The jacks are let down and shims are placed to fine-tune the leveling, and then the holes are filled in. Now it's time to restore the landscaping. The fencing is restored, as is the deck. The objects on the deck are not replaced at this time because the owners wish to restain the wood. And speaking of the residents, they were very pleased to find the original 2-day estimate has been shaved in half. Their home has been supported and leveled in a single day. The time savings is because of the crew's efficiency, of course, and because the Helix Pier system has many benefits. This home, for example, as you can see, has settled severely. This kind of damage would seem to be a major undertaking. Not for Power Jack. Once the piers have been sunk, it is relatively easy to close and repair these gaps. And remember, Power Jack makes sure the piers are more than deep enough for solid support. After raising the house more than 5 inches, these gaps have been erased. This home has quickly been put back in order. The Helix Pier system is fast and efficient. It can be used in new home construction to enhance foundation support in poor soil conditions. No heavy equipment is normally needed. No waiting weeks. Faster installation than with other systems. It can be installed in limited access areas. It's a faster and lower cost installation method than old-fashioned systems. And it can be installed year-round. For the life of your home, a technically sound system of support and repair at a lower cost that can be installed quickly. Power Jack, family owned since 1976, is your foundation repair solution. Power Jack, licensed and bonded, is an A+ member of the Better Business Bureau, and all work comes with a lifetime unlimited transferable warranty on foundation repair and piers for new construction. We also belong to the FRA, the Foundation Repair Association of Texas, and do drainage correction or improvements to ensure that excess water is not damaging your foundation. We install French drains so that runoff simply disappears. We at Power Jack are pleased to help you. We are located at 4725 Lamar Avenue, Paris, Texas. We thank you for watching this short video. If you have any questions, you may call us at 903-785-4636 or 1-866-448-JACK. That's 1-866-448-JACK. Toll free. Power Jack, putting your house back where it belongs.